Commitment to excellence and the relentless pursuit of becoming the best version of yourself is the essence of a fulfilling life. The ancient Persian poet Rumi once said, "The wound is the place where the light enters you." This profound insight reminds us that our challenges and efforts towards self-improvement illuminate our true potentials. As humans, we are born with immense wealth within us, and it is our purpose to nurture this potential for our own well-being and that of others. In 2008, while conducting a training workshop on entrepreneurship in the Chamber of Commerce of Herat, Afghanistan, a young participant approached me for advice about choosing a university major. He was unsure which field offered better economic prospects, but wanted to make the correct decision. During a brief break between sessions, it was challenging to have an in-depth discussion. However, I encouraged him not to stress overly about his choice if he felt uncertain. I suggested that he would choose a field where he felt passionate and talented, emphasizing that the long-term success would depend more on his actions within that choice rather than on the field itself. For instance, he could study medicine, often seen as a stable career path. But if he lacked passion and commitment, he might struggle as a doctor. Conversely, he could opt for Persian literature, not typically associated with strong economic prospects, work with passion and commitment, and yet excel in it and find satisfaction. What truly matters is not merely what choice you make, but how you engage with that choice. While making the right decision is crucial, it does not compare to the importance of how you act on that decision. A poor performance can lead to regret over the choice made, while not so great initial choice can become rewarding through hard work and dedication and staying flexible. In previous video, we explored the choice between making an extraordinary life or living a mediocre one, highlighting that both paths can lead to dissatisfaction. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can find it linked above or in the description below. In this discussion, we will uncover a third alternative by incorporating an essential element into our choices. Whether your aspiration is to lead an extraordinary life, achieving great goals, amassing wealth, gaining fame, or acquiring political power, or to pursue a so-called mediocre life, focused on education, family, and personal balance, neither choice is inherently wrong. You can live as you wish. What matters more is what you do next. But if you lack self-awareness regarding your values, desires, and source of happiness, you may make choices that lead to regret. Even if you make a good choice, poor performance can obscure its benefits. Many young people, guided by their good intentions, may aspire to lead extraordinary lives, but find themselves disillusioned after repeated failures. This can lead to bitterness and a focus on self-preservation, feeling betrayed by a word they receive as unjust. Similarly, a well-meaning individual who chooses to lead a good life, completing education, marrying, and raising a family, might struggle facing the challenges of unhappy marriage and financial strains. Such experiences can erode confidence, hope, and direction, resulting in a cycle of poor decisions. So, what is personal excellence? Personal excellence involves a continuous commitment to self-improvement and nurturing your potentials across various aspects of life. It encompasses three key areas. 1. Building wisdom. Cultivate curiosity to learn continuously and reflect on your life experiences, deepening your understanding of yourself and the world. Number 2. Practicing courage. Face your fears bravely, pursue your goals despite obstacles, strive to do the right thing even when it's challenging, and embrace kindness and generosity. Number 3. Building personal discipline. Prioritize mental and physical health. Develop skills to manage your resources, time, energy, and finances, while cultivating resilience, patience, persistence, and diligence. By nurturing yourself in these three key areas and integrating them effectively, you can develop a personal power necessary to live a fulfilling life. With commitment to excellence, you can live an ordinary life while being extraordinary. You might be a teacher or a parent in a modest home, but what distinguishes you is not your circumstances, but your commitment to excellence. You bring your best to the classroom, shaping the future leaders, and you nurture meaningful relationships with your children that transcend typical parenting. Time for self-reflection. I invite you to reflect on what we discussed in this video and challenge your assumptions. Do you genuinely want to live a challenging life filled with great achievements? Or do you prefer a more balanced existence, characterized by tranquility and steady growth? Do you view self development as the key to your success in life, or do you see it as a potential distraction that could hinder your progress toward your ambitious goals? Do you have faith in the power of personal excellence? And how much time do you dedicate each week to building personal excellence within yourself? In our upcoming video, we delve deeper into how to build personal excellence and explore the essential qualities that contribute to it.